I am so excited to do this today because I never ever get to do anything meaningful. Since we live together, we work together every single day, but he's been gone for a few days now and he's coming back tonight. I wish I would have started earlier, but you know me, just love to procrastinate and wait till the last minute to do absolutely everything. So we gotta run to Trader Joe's right now. We're already running so freaking late. We're gonna splurge a little today, be a little crazy. Are you happy Mama's home? Yes. I got these Partake cookies. They're vegan and gluten-free. I have never tried them before. I also got these almond flour tortillas. There's 6 tortillas in here. Dairy-free mozzarella cheese. We're using it tonight for our special dinner, so I pray that they taste really good. Sea salt brownie petites for dessert. They definitely have dairy in them, which is not great for me, but John loves these. Okay, this is just a special little treat. Just salmon skin for dogs. Oh, good girl. I also got John these brownie cookies brookies, some chia seeds to make some chia pudding. I also got these walnut pieces. Okay, I'm so excited about this. It's kombucha. John has been wanting to try this for a long time, so I got him the pink lady apple because he loves apples. And I got myself this organic coconut water. I have no clue why it's pink, a freaking avocado, okay? I needed this for tonight, but turns out they didn't have any brown ones that are ripe, so I just had to get this green one. That walk took a lot out of me. I feel exhausted right now, and I wanna give up, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. We gotta make this work. We're gonna clean. There are many ways to do laundry. It doesn't really matter. I don't even check the pockets. I just like live free, live my life, do what I'm supposed to do, and just make it work. Also, if it looks like I'm wearing a big sack of potatoes, I kind of feel that way too. Say not to overstuff your washing machine, but I say, you know what, gotta live in the moment, live in the now. It's actually not overstuffed. It's not. It looks like it is, but it's not. The bedroom is clean, it's spotless. It looks like I hired someone to clean and paid $1 million, but no, I did it all. And the sun's out. I don't know if you can tell, but it's finally out. Are you excited to see Papa later? Me too, high five. Nope, okay. Some people think this is weird, but I actually love cleaning the bathroom. I don't know how or why. I don't know what happened to me in my childhood that made me love it, but I do. There's nothing better than a clean, spotless bathroom. And of course, always, when you clean the bathroom, change out the towel. Perfect. I am exhausted and I've only cleaned 2 rooms so far, but it feels like I've done a lot more. The part I'm most excited for though is cooking. I love to cook. I love sharing my meals with others, especially John because he loves every single thing I make ever. He's never complained not once. That might have looked pretty flawless, but I only used 2 matches. I actually broke 2 other ones. I have heard that incense causes cancer, but my mom got me these incense a while ago, so I'm gonna use them tonight. They actually smell really good. I wish you could smell them right now. Take a whiff. No. My mom always had fresh flowers at home. When I moved out on my own, I just thought they were such a waste of money, honestly. But tonight, I just thought, okay, time to make this special. They look so beautiful. It just brightened up the whole space. It looks so cozy and happy. Officially time to start cooking mine and John's all-time favorite meal that I've ever made. It's vegan. It can be made gluten-free. I'm gonna have to put this over my head because I just washed my hair last night and styled it today, and I don't want it to smell like cumin and paprika. We're good. We're ready to go. Okay, so for tonight's special menu, we have vegan enchiladas. They're technically a casserole, so it's not like wraps, it's more like layers. And I'm gonna be making a charcuterie board with all the desserts that I bought to, you know, make a little spread, make it special, make it nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let it sit there for around 20 to 30 minutes on medium heat. While I'm waiting for this to be done, I'm gonna make the enchilada sauce. Too afraid to take the first step, 'cause it just could be honest about the way we've been feeling things for each other. I wanna feel you falling. It looks so good. It smells incredible. I'm just gonna continue letting this cook, just kind of come to a boil, and then just reduce and simmer. It is done. It looks freaking delicious, and we're gonna be eating this with chocolate vegan ice cream. It is already nighttime. It is 6:23 right now, and John's gonna be here at 7 o'clock, so that gives us just the amount of time we need to like get this enchilada going, get it in the oven, and then get set up and get ready for him to come. Okay, so I am trying to figure out how to like spice this up and make it cute. So I think I'm gonna get some candlesticks and put them on the dining table. John actually hates candlesticks for some reason. He thinks they're witchy and weird and creepy, but I think they're romantic and cute, so we're gonna use them today. So I'm gonna do that before I freshen up and get ready. I think his train will be getting here at 6:50, so he should be getting here at 7 o'clock on the dot. It just broke. It's officially time for me to get ready. We still have 15 minutes until he gets here. I'm just gonna go freshen up, you know, like smell better, look better overall. I am slightly nervous and I have no idea why, because we're married. We've been married for like 3.5 years, but I've never planned like a cute little surprise like this. I mean, I normally clean, but I don't think he's gonna be expecting like this kind of meal, like his favorite meal with the candles and the drinks. Oh my God, I forgot the drinks. I'm gonna put this lipstick on. I actually got it from my mom and it's a Laura Mercier. I don't even know how to say this. I'm also gonna retouch my eyebrows with this Tattoo Studio. I'm not even a makeup artist, like I don't even know what I'm telling you guys this. I'm gonna put this perfume on because, you know, gotta smell fresh, gotta smell good. I have 10 minutes, so I'm gonna set out the drinks and then get the dish ready and just serve it up so that when he gets here, it's like ready. If you don't eat dairy, definitely check out this Trader Joe's mozzarella style shred cashew cheese alternative. I was so worried it was gonna smell like feet and ruin my entire meal, so I had to try it before, and I am glad I did because it's so flipping good. Mine looks like literal trash, but it's okay as long as John says cute, we're all good. Maybe you should go.
Oh, you're such a good little girl.
The kitchen's a huge disaster again. John and Kenny and I had a great night together. If you're also considering maybe surprising your significant other and being special for the night, then I would definitely recommend it. It's just amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.